Okay. So you are initializing this port 1.0, 1.1 and 1.2 to RS pin, read by write bar, enable pin, and you have to initialize the functions with arguments void LCD command unsigned char, void LCD data unsigned char. So you have to initialize this define these functions, and you have to define this delay, void delay. So next, what you should do? This is the main function. So you have to initialize a port 2 with the data lines D0 to D7. So you have to initialize port 2 with a 0x00. So that means these port 2 is used as a output lines. So when you are initializing port 2 with a 0x00, so this is output declaration. That means from the microcontroller should write the data from the port lines. So from port 2. So this port 2 is acting as output port. So this is the initialization of port 2. And next you have to, so while one means it's like a infinite loop. So LCD command 0x38 means you have to initialize this command. So 5 cross 7 matrix. So LCD command, and you have to introduce some delay. You have to give some time to the delay. LCD command 0x01 means you are clearing the screen, and you are calling a delay function. LCD command 0x10 means cursor blinking. So cursor should be in blinking state, and you are calling a delay function. LCD command 0x0c means display on. So this is for display on, and you are calling a delay function. LCD command 0x84 means you have to force the cursor to first line, not fourth, fifth, fourth position. So you have to force the cursor to the first line and fourth position. You are calling a delay. So uh, you have to display this characters MPMC. So this is for LCD data. So LCD data M, calling a delay function. LCD data P, calling a delay function. LCD data M, calling a delay function. So every time you are calling this C, you have to call a delay function. So this initialization part for command and data is completed. So now you have to write separate function for command as well as data. So here what you are doing, void LCD command unsigned char val. So so this is val value are moving into port 2. You are making RS pin as 0, read by write bar 0. You have to latch the LCD. So you are giving enable pin high to low. So enable pin equal to 1, some delay function. For delay you are calling, and enable pin equal to 0. So that means this is like some delay. And next,
Those
this is for data. So void LCD unsigned char val. So val value you are moving into port 2. RS pin you are making as 1. Read by write bar equal to you are making 0. So this is for writing. RS equal to 1 is for data, and you should give some latch enable pin equal to 1, delay enable pin equal to 0. So you have to give some delay. You have to give clock pulse high to low and void delay. So this is a delay function unsigned int I for I equal to 0, I less than 1200, I plus plus. So this is how you can write the program in C language. So you can build the target. You can build the target. Go to the options for target. So here give the clock frequency 7.0592 megahertz. So check this one. Use the on chip ROM. Go to output. So check this create X file. Okay. Again build the target. So X file is created. So that X file is created. So now you want to run that one. In the basic software, you can run that one. So go to ProChoose. So I will show you. ProChoose. So file, open design. So this I am saving. So this I written in lcd.c. So GNAT. So this is lcd.c. This is the design, whatever the design here. If you zoom it, Here if you observe, port 1.0 to 1.2 are connected to these enable pins, RS, read by red bar, and enable pin, and port 2.0 to 2.7 are connected to these data lines. So you have to load the hex file. So select the clock frequency as 11.0592 megahertz and LCD.C. So okay, okay. So run the code. Get the MPMC.